The Kerala government is in the line of fire for easing restrictions for 3 days to permit revelers to celebrate Bakrid. That too at a time when the state is reporting more than 13,000 COVID cases in 24 hours. Kerala is the worst affected state in the country, but the government stands accused of playing appeasement politics. All eyes now on the Supreme Court, which was quick to ensure the cancellation of the Kanwad Yatra. The Bakrid issue now comes up for hearing once again tomorrow.
Over 10,000 COVID cases every single day in Kerala. The positivity rate over 10%, the highest in the country. But the Pinarayi Vijayan government has put faith over the COVID fight. For 3 days, as cases are surging in God's own country, markets have been opened up to allow Bakrid shoppers to shop for the festival.
The Supreme Court has actually refused to put a stay or restrict the orders by the state governments to ease the restrictions in the wake of Bakrid. The government has eased the regulations for about 3 days, that is Sunday, Monday and Tuesday tomorrow. However, the state IMA has said they had already demanded the state government to open up the shops for more time so that there will be very less crowd. However, they have also come to the opinion that it is not conducive at this moment for Kerala to have the state completely opened up for all kinds of services.
Experts' warnings have been ignored by the state government, and the Indian Medical Association has even warned the government, even threatening to sue over this callous order.
It's not at all time for total relaxation. Even if it is Bakrid, Ramzan, Christmas, Onam, Trishur Puram, Shabarimala, whatever, it is not the time for the total relaxation. We'll have to wait for some more time.
The Supreme Court, whose intervention rightly ensured the cancellation of the Kanwad Yatra in Uttar Pradesh, has felt no need to immediately act against the Kerala government's order. A notice has been issued to the Pinarayi government, but any action now will be belated. Markets are open, people are out and about in the state. The Apex Court rightly said a mass religious gathering cannot happen amidst a pandemic, while cautioning against the Kanwad Yatra. But in the case of Kerala, there's no order yet from the top court. The opposition is also now up in arms against the Pinarayi Vijayan government.
अब ये देश को सोचना है और ये सारे लोगों को सोचना है जो हम लोगों पर हिंदू नेता और हिंदू राजनीति का एक लाछन लगाते हैं, ये उनको सोचना है, या हम लोगों को नहीं सोचना है.
But it isn't just Bakrid celebrations that have been allowed. Restrictions at the Sabarimala shrine have also been eased now.
The government has made it mandatory for all devotees to carry a COVID-19 negative certificate over here. And it's not just that you should have a negative certificate, but you should also get it certified from the competent authority which is actually present here, because they need to verify the authenticity of that particular certificate.
With COVID cases rising in Kerala, serious questions are being asked about the government's priorities there. Is it appeasement or fighting the pandemic? With Gopi Krishnan Unnithan in Thiruvananthapuram, Bureau Report, India Today.
Joining me on India First is Suneet Chopra, leader of the CPIM. Gopal Krishna Agrawal is the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Also with me on India First is Dr. Ravi Malik. He'll give us a medical perspective on the situation. He's the chairman and managing director of Radix Hospitals. Suneet Chopra, look at the numbers in Kerala. Just the numbers story. 13,900 odd cases on the 18th of July. 16,000 plus cases on the 17th of July. Why ease restrictions ahead of Bakrid when doctors, including the Indian Medical Association, are advising against it?
Have you stopped Central Vista?
What does Central Vista have to do with Bakrid in Kerala?
It was there before the Delhi second wave. People died without oxygen. People died in a terrible way. And you did not speak, you followers of the government.
So you will
what
not...
Are you talking
are you scared, sir, to talk about Kerala? Are you as the opposition, are you scared, sir? that you will deflect.
Why-
You will
why
talk
you are
about
not
Central
talking
Vista.
about-
You will talk about
Why-
anything.
Of
You will
the
not talk
Lord
about.
of Delhi
Sir, we have
at
done
Central
shows on Central
Vista.
Vista. Sir, on India Today, we ask questions.
You were
We
scared.
did shows on the Central Vista. We are not scared, sir.
What questions
Without
did you
fear
ask?
or favor,
Where did
we
it
ask
take
questions.
What Central Vista,
On nine
Gaurav?
of
No,
the
hold on,
I
Mr.
don't know
Agrawal.
what
People
Let
all
Sunit
over
Chopra
the
respond.
country will
Hold on, Mr.
demonstrate
Chopra.
on the
Hold
issue
on,
of
Mr.
Central
Chopra.
Vista.
You are not permitted to rant on the show, sir.
I
You've been
won't
asked.
hold on. Who the hell are you to tell me to hold on?
Well, you're a guest on my show,
Who the
and
hell?
I humbly request you to answer on merits unless you choose
Please,
not
I'm
to.
not worried. I don't have to be a guest on the show of someone who's
You may
sold
not
out.
be worried, but
You're
you
a
do not even
sellout.
have facts. I have asked you a specific question. 16,000 cases
I have the
reported.
facts.
16,000 on the 17th of July. 14,000 on the 18th of July. 15,000
So
on
what?
the 15th of July.
How many cases were there
Sir.
in Namaste Trump? How many cases were there after
So
Bengal?
Kerala, you don't care
How
about
many
lives of
cases were there
Kerala.
after
You
the
don't care
elections?
about lives.
And
For
BJP
you,
lost
it's only
them
vote
all
bank. Is
because
that
of
it? It's only vote bank for CPIM.
No, I'm telling you another lie that you have told. I'm telling you another lie.
You are not answering.
told,
You are not
that
answering
the
a very direct
opposition is
question.
against.
You are not
The
answering. It just shows.
opposition
Are you nervous?
in Kerala
Are you scared?
is
Do you
only
lack
the
facts?
Congress and they're supporting
Do you
it.
lack facts? Have you come to this
I
bulletin
have the
unprepared?
facts. I don't lack facts.
I've asked you a specific
So,
question and you're choosing not to answer
I do not
it.
give a damn for fool.
Be
I
that
do
as
not give
it
a
may.
damn for
Be
fools
that as
like
it
you.
may. Gopal
You're a
Agrawal,
paid
Sunit
agent.
Chopra,
I
Sunit
don't
Chopra,
get
hold on for a
money
moment.
like your people.
Gopal Agrawal,
You're a
Sunit
paid
Chopra says
agent.
situation
You are a
situation in
paid
Kerala
agent
is
of
different.
Modi.
He's saying Central Vista project wasn't
So
stopped.
Modi
Why
ne become
talk about Kerala? Why talk about Bakrid? Gopal Agrawal respond.
आप मोदी
So,
के
when you are
बिकाऊ
comparing-
अच्छा
मानो।
ठीक है सर
गौरव,
सर आपकी उम्र का लिहाज कर रहा हूँ आप
सुमित
बोलते
जी,
रहिए आपसे जो प्रश्न
बिके
पूछा जाए
हुए
उसका उत्तर आपके पास है
शर्म आनी
नहीं
चाहिए।
ठीक है
Sumit ji, सुन लीजिए. देखिए, when you are
आप-
talking,
ठीक है, ठीक है.
Gaurav, there are two issues here. When the Supreme Court came asked the UP government to stop the Kawar Yatra, the UP government, in spite of all the pressures from various religious organizations and other things, and UP government had felt that we will be able to manage COVID in the pandemic social distancing norms.
okay.
But still, we respected the Supreme Court and accepted that we should not allow, we should discontinue the Kawar
what is your
Yatra.
point is your point that Pinarayi Vijayan government is bending under religious pressure and permitting Bakrid is that your point
Yeah, one thing. It is not only one thing. It is a very serious matter when they take a different stand on the Sabrimala. When the Supreme Court said about the Sabrimala, there was a complete different attitude by the Pinarayi Vijayan government. Secondly, when it was Love Jihad, there was a different response. Now in Bakrid, they have a different response. So it is a blatantly religious fundamentalism which is playing appeasement politics, which
Okay.
is playing on the mind of Kerala government and not taking care of people's lives and
let
deaths.
me get Dr.
It's
Ravi
very
Malik
serious.
to respond on merits. He's a doctor. He's been at the forefront
say
of treating.
Nambiar
He's been
was
at the
the man
forefront
who
of
allowed
treating
the gold
corona
smugglers
cases
to escape
since last
to
year.
Karnataka. Is
Dr.
it the
Malik,
same
politics apart, are you looking at a potential third wave? Court stopped the Kawar Yatra. Should the same alacrity be shown for every gathering, irrespective of religion or region at this stage? Dr. Malik.
Look, as a apolitical professional, I will like to tell you we are going through an unprecedented type of an extraordinary catastrophic situation. The second wave has not subsided yet. The danger of third wave is looming around our head. No kind of social event, may it be political, religious, or social, can be allowed in this country. We need to have a zero tolerance for the mortality from the COVID. Till what time we will continue seeing this process of losing 4,000 lives, 5,000 lives?
Okay.
Even now, many hundreds of lives are being lost because of COVID. We cannot be a mute spectator to loss of these lives. And
Okay.
we must understand that no kind of a social spreader event can be tolerated in this country.
Response,
and
Sunit
as a
Chopra.
political,
Okay.
and we, yeah.
Respond, Sunit Chopra. And let me quote to you. You heard the good doctor yourself, sir. The Indian Medical Association on Sunday urged Kerala government to withdraw lockdown relaxations. This is the Indian Medical Association, Kerala. Doctors are saying relaxation is unwarranted and inappropriate. Does Pinarayi Vijayan know more than doctors?
I am not a fool. I know who you're talking.
So
One doctor is not doctors.
Indian
Please
Medical
ask the
Association,
World Health Organization
Kerala
and
and
find out
IMA
what is
Kerala
happening.
has issued a letter. You are saying that IMA
Kerala
is
has
also
doctors.
IMA is also politically motivated. Is that what you're saying?
I'm not saying politically motivated. I said it has a checkered record, including corruption. Yes.
So in
So
case
you-
Indian Medical
he's saying
Association
it is
says
it's
withdraw
a corruption,
lockdown relaxation, you are accusing IMA of corruption. Because they are saying
not
withdraw lockdown relaxation. Relaxation is
I'm not
unwarranted
accusing
and
them.
inappropriate at this
They
point
were
of time.
accused. I am not accusing them. This was in the press.
So what is
I am
your
not
accusation,
accusing them.
sir? What do you want
I'm
you
not
to
an agency
accuse?
to do that.
So what is your stand? Sir, you give me your stand.
I want
What-
the simple matter. If the Kerala people have decided they can make a very good effort to create a situation where
If
you
people
Where
have decided,
Kerala
why do you need a
people
government?
conduct,
Why do you need
Where
Pinarayi
Kerala
Vijayan if
people
people
have
will do
decided
it themselves?
there is no harm.
I fail to
was
understand
there
that.
a plebiscite?
Does the government
Was there a plebiscite?
does the government not have any responsibility, Sunit Chopra?
And
Or
that
has
is
Pinarayi
why-
Vijayan
Where is the
abdicated?
Kerala people
That is why
decided, sir?
both Pinarayi,
Was there a
both
plebiscite? How
Pinarayi
Kerala
and
people
Uman
have decided?
Chandi
No,
have
hold
the
on.
same view.
Gopal Agrawal, you are repeatedly
Uman
saying
Chandi
it's about
and
minority. No, hold on.
Pinarayi Vijayan
No,
both have
Sunit
said
Chopra,
it.
you need to articulate your thoughts, sir. You need to get your
It's not
thoughts together and
minority.
articulate them. I've asked you
Is
specifically,
Sabrimala
IMA
minority?
says
Are
don't
you
do it.
talking rubbish?
IMA says don't do it, and yet Pinarayi Vijayan has gone
Sabrimala
ahead
is not the
and
minority.
given relaxation, sir.
So Gaurav, we have to understand
Because
what is causing
it
this
is
strong
possible.
decision by the Pinarayi
And
Vijayan.
Eid has
When
nothing
there is
to
a
do
clear-cut
with
instruction.
public crowds.
Eid has nothing to do with crowds.
Gaurav, we have to
Hold on,
understand.
Gopal
Nothing
Agrawal,
to
let
do
him
with
explain
public.
this for a moment, please.
They have
Explain.
limited the people offering namaz in mosques.
Okay,
Very strict limitations. You don't know about it, obviously.
okay. So you say,
I
no,
know
I'll
that.
get the good doctor to respond. I will not, I have no opinion on this. I'm very happy. This
No,
is
Gaurav, but
this is
I
your
am not
thinking.
worried
We'll
about
get the
the
good
markets
doctor to
also.
respond to this.
It is not only
We'll get the
the
good
Eid
doctor to respond to this. But
festival in
Gopal
the
Agrawal,
temple.
If the good
why
doctor
this
goes
allegation of
Gaurav,
minority appeasement or Muslim
protect
appeasement
Delhi
against the
from
Pinarayi Vijayan government?
Central
You heard,
Vista
hold on, yeah, you know, you must talk when you're spoken to, Sunit Chopra. You can't
They
rant
couldn't
non-stop.
do anything in Delhi, but they'll do something in Kerala.
Hold on.
Don't fool me.
Hold on,
Don't fool me.
hold on, hold on. Can I
If
only
they
have Gopal
could have
Agrawal
done
and the good
something,
doctor
they
on
would
screen
have
for a
done it
moment,
in
please?
Delhi.
Let's have an
Yeah,
organized, let's have a
Gaurav,
systematic
Gaurav,
debate. We can't have non-stop
Gaurav,
ranting.
Gaurav,
Hold on. No.
Gaurav,
First, Gopal
give me-
Agrawal. Gopal
just give me a
Agrawal.
minute.
Sir, give me a minute, doctor. Doctor, please give me a minute.
Okay.
Gopal Agrawal, why this allegation of Muslim appeasement against Pinarayi Vijayan? The relaxation is not just about Bakrid. There's also Onam celebrations, Sabrimala festivities. Everything is permitted. Why only pick out on Bakrid?
No, Gaurav, the issue is that why the advice from the Supreme Court was also there that no religious festival should be held. And who is responsible for this? It is the Pinarayi Vijayan government in Kerala. They have to maintain and so see that the proper protocol, COVID appropriate behavior takes place. They have ordered opening of the markets for Eid purchase. It's a specific decision that the Pinarayi Vijayan government has taken. We need to open markets for the purchase and festivities of the Eid, Bakrid.
Okay.
That's what they are doing. So,
Dr. Malik-
first thing, no,
Dr. Malik-
Gaurav, just 10 seconds more.
Okay.
One thing I want to ask is, what is the urgency for Pinarayi Vijayan ji to take this decision? Is he going against the advice of the medical fraternity? Is he going against the advice of the Supreme Court and central government that COVID appropriate behavior requires restrictive movements and not opening of the markets, and considering the number of cases? Kerala is at present seeing the highest number of cases, so it needs to take much more precaution than the other states.
Okay, respond, Sunil Chopra. Kerala is seeing the highest number of cases. You're looking at almost 14,000 to 15,000 cases every day.
When
Instead of
Delhi
more
has the highest
restrictions,
number of cases,
instead of
did you
more
mention-
restrictions, why
Did
is
you
Kerala
mention Central
opening up?
Vista?
Is it
People of Delhi
Muslim
were dying
appeasement?
like flies.
Asks the BJP.
People of Delhi, people of UP were dying in the Ganga. What did you do?
Where is
Please
the
don't give me this nonsense.
No, I'm sorry. I think the nonsense comes from elsewhere. I've asked you 3 specific
Yes.
questions. You've deflected each
The
question
nonsense is
and not
from
answered about
you.
Kerala.
And you're
I am
paid
sorry,
for
sir.
the job.
On India Today, we
Because
believed in an informed debate,
Yogi
and I'm sorry.
Saket
I'm
is
sorry, you're
paid
rather ill-prepared
for the
today. With
television
due respect to your
channels to
age.
advertise.
With
And
due
what
respect
the
to your
hell
age,
is
Sunil
your
Chopra,
unparliamentary
you haven't
debate
answered a
also?
single
I know what I'm
question.
saying.
Doctors in Kerala are saying withdraw relaxation.
I don't have to answer your question. Who the hell are you? You
Oh,
are a
who the
paid
hell?
agent
What
of
is
the
talking,
BJP.
Gaurav?
You are
Dr.
showing
Malik
up.
wants to come
I have
in.
to switch
It's,
off
Gaurav.
my
it's okay.
television
Okay,
when
Mr. Sunil
Gaurav,
Chopra.
I will
Okay,
like-
Mr. Sunil Chopra. Hold on,
Gaurav.
Mr. Chopra. Dr. Malik, be it Bakrid, Onam, Sabrimala, should gatherings be avoided for now? Can we afford to open up at this stage, sir?
Gaurav, allowance for any kind of social spreader event, the basis is medical facts, not assumption or presumption of anybody. Now, I will enumerate some of the medical facts. Number 1, not even a single child is vaccinated in our country. 1/3 of them are below the age of 18 years.
Yes.
Our herd immunity is not appropriate right now. Our vaccination, although we have done a lot of vaccination, but still the number of vaccinations are very insufficient. Viruses, every day virus is changing, a virus is mutating for that matter. So our economy is obviously very weak. Our health infrastructure is weak because we are a developing country.
Yes.
Under backdrop of these 6 facts, it is dangerous to say that we can allow any kind of social events. I am a Hindu, not even any Hindu functions, for that matter, any Muslim function, for that matter, any function
Yes.
or social gatherings or any political. May it be Congress, may it be BJP, may it be any party, no kind of religious or... Look, we are today also losing lives on COVID.
Yes.
See, even a single life lost has impact on 50 other lives. They have
Absolutely.
children, they have parents, they are contributing
No,
in some
and
way to the
Kerala is
society.
losing close to
We
100
cannot
lives.
be- We need to
Sunil
have the
Chopra,
sensitivity
I don't know
of
if it
this
matters
issue.
to you or
One
not.
question,
We need to have the
Mr.
sensitivity
Chopra,
on this issue.
hold on. Before you rant
allowed
again, sir,
them to walk home hundreds
why don't
of
you just
kilometers.
hear the question, sir?
You allowed them to
100
walk
lives
home.
lost on the 12th of July,
Shamelessly.
124 lives lost on 13th of July, 128 lives lost on 14th of July,
Don't worry.
130 lives lost on
How
16th
many
July,
were lost in the Ganga?
114 lives
They
lost on
don't even
17th
know
of
the
July.
names
Sir,
of
I'm
the
giving
people. And the bodies
losses
killed.
every day in Kerala.
And when the
Loss of
UP
life every day in Kerala.
UP elections took place, over 1,000 people died. Now what are you talking
Gaurav,
about?
So,
Gaurav, we
if
have
it was
given
wrong
Gaurav-
there, how is it
you
right
had nothing
now?
to say when the panchayat
No,
elections
hello,
took
Pinrai,
place.
no, hold on, Sunil Chopra. If
So,
you say that was wrong,
Gaurav,
how is
one
this
question.
right?
I am saying wait for the Supreme Court tomorrow.
It will be too
I'm
late.
not saying anything
It may
is right
be too
or wrong.
late.
It's
People have come out
sub
in
judice.
markets today. People have come
If
out
it's
of
too
markets
late,
and
it
they've
can
come
be
out,
too
more
late.
lives will be
When
lost
the people
and an
are
impact
dead
will
in
be
the
known
Ganga,
only a
is it
fortnight
too late or
later.
too early? Don't tell me lies because you're paid for it. You're a paid agent.
Sir, with
I
due
regret
respect,
to say,
you have come
Sharma
extremely
Nichaliya.
ill-prepared for the debate today, sir. You
Gaurav,
haven't been
Gaurav.
able to answer a single question that
I
doctors
know
are
my
raising.
debate very well.
Respond.
And
They
I
are saying this
know
is
the
minority
answers and I
appeasement.
know what-
It is
what's going to
minority
happen
appeasement and you're
tomorrow.
not.
So
Doctors
I'm
are
not
saying
worried.
don't do it. And Pinrai Vijayan government is going ahead and doing
It's
it.
not minority.
Gaurav,
appeasement.
Gaurav,
Some
we-
people
Okay,
are
Gopal
not
Agarwal wants to
minority.
respond.
Yeah.
Respond. Go. Okay,
Some
Gopal
people
Agarwal,
are
come in.
not minority.
Gaurav, we have given several queries, several reasons why it should not be held. ask Mr. Sumit Chopra one reason why this has been allowed. Does he have any one reason except
Sir,
that the central
you answer the
vista was
questions I
allowed in
asked
the
you.
center?
So hold on. When you become an anchor, sir, you may ask
I'll
questions.
answer.
As of now, respond
I'll
to
answer.
questions that Kerala
Yeah.
may have a high case load, may have high positivity rate, but according to Kerala government, they're handling the situation. They are not overwhelmed. We are not seeing bodies floating in the river in Kerala. So if they are able to handle it, why raise allegations about minority appeasement?
Gaurav, this is a completely false narration that they are selling. If they are able to handle, why Kerala is the highest number of
narrative is
cases
UP.
and many
fake-
numbers of deaths
fake-
are being seen in Kerala.
fake
there is
Hold on,
mutation
Sunit
in
Chopra, I'll
Delta
come to you,
variant
sir.
in Kerala.
Sunit Chopra,
Zyklon
don't
is
speak
found.
over other
Boom.
guests. Hold on. When I
Yeah,
come to you,
Gaurav,
respond. Till then,
Well,
hold your
when the
peace.
guest is lying, I have to tell him.
Sir, but when you
If
are
he's
lying, who is going
lying,
to
I
stop
have
you,
to
sir?
Tell him. And I will tell
Gaurav,
him.
Of course, you
the
must tell
issue
him,
is-
but you must also
I
speak
do
the
not
truth.
lie.
At least
People
for
know
once on
that.
my show, speak the truth.
I
When
do.
doctors are saying, do
I
not
speak the
hold,
truth regularly
do
and
not
point
do.
out what is
When
the
doctors, sir, doctors have categorically said, withdraw
I know
relaxation. It is inappropriate to have Bakrid relaxation. Why is Pinarayi Vijayan still going ahead with
If
it?
the doctors have said that, let them go and tell the Kerala government that. Because both the government
So you are
and the
representing Kerala
opposition,
government or
that
not?
is Woman Chandi,
Be
have
an
agreed
insult
with
to
it.
the medical community also.
Yes.
Gaurav, it is going to be an insult to the medical community also. Our doctors are risking their lives in treating the COVID patients.
Yes.
And we should follow the social norms.
I
and
know
the country should be
doctors are giving
communicated
their
very
lives.
strictly.
Who made doctors give their lives? Is the same people who made those
The
people
social spreading
be in the
events.
panchayat elections
but
and die.
I am sorry, your every argument today,
हाँ.
Sunit Chopra, is
And
वहाँ
Namaste
देखो क्या हुआ,
Trump.
वहाँ देखो क्या हुआ. अरे आप
And
केरला में देखो ना क्या हो रहा है.
Kumbh.
Why aren't you responding about Kerala? Why this hesitation?
अरे आपको केरला
आपको ये
मिला है,
किसका
बीच
डर है
में कुछ
केरला पर
नहीं
आपको
है।
जवाब देने में?
मध्य
या आपको
प्रदेश में देखो
आपको
क्या हो
केरला
रहा
पे
है।
जवाब नहीं देना
तुम्हारी
है.
सरकार है, मध्य प्रदेश में बोलो क्या है.
हम मध्य प्रदेश में भी
मध्य
सवाल
प्रदेश
पूछते हैं.
में मर
हम
रहे
उत्तर
हैं,
प्रदेश,
लेकिन
sir,
नाम
we
नहीं
ask
लिखे जा
questions
रहे.
everywhere. We ask questions when bodies were floating in Ganga. We
और
asked
उत्तर
questions of
प्रदेश को
the Yogi
देखो.
Adityanath government. When there was
कितनी
oxygen
bodies
shortage in
आपने
Delhi,
गंगा में
we asked
बताई.
both Arvind Kejriwal and the central government. We asked questions. But nobody said,
But
जाओ
you
पहले
have said
केरला का
the
स्थिति
central
देख कर आओ.
wisdom
Sunit ji ka-
You are
Mr. Sunit
unwilling
Chopra says that
unwilling
you
and unable to
cannot ask
answer.
questions
Sunit
for
Chopra.
Kerala because
Perhaps
you
you're
cannot
so
ask
woefully
questions.
ill-prepared for the debate today.
Work.
Extremely disappointing. But Dr. Malik, what is your suggestion
worry,
at
you're
this
saying I'm
stage?
ill-prepared,
What is
means I'm
your
prepared.
suggestion at this stage?
Because I
Should
have
Kerala
told you
go
about
ahead
the
or
source
with this
entity.
Delta variant? Can we just have the audio down,
मैं
please?
आपको
Oh,
एक-
don't worry, Dr. Sri Chopra.
No
Next time,
kind-
just come better
Gaurav,
prepared. Yeah.
Gaurav, no kind of social spreader event should be allowed under any circumstance. There is no excuse on that. And it is going to add fuel to this pandemic exhaustion. And the speed and spread of the illness will go like a wildfire. We need to recalibrate our strategies. And otherwise, the cases are going to increase. The avalanche of patients will come and we will have a lot of mortalities. And as you have rightly pointed out that in the state, already there are many mortalities which are happening. 120 mortalities. Do you think this is less? 120 people dying every day, is it less? What else do we need? I think as a medical professional and with folded hands, I will also request Chopra Saab that he should recalibrate his own mind and he should apply this mind to the extent that no kind of social...
walk home.
Sir,
How many
recalibrating
died in
may
that?
be
And
a
what
rather
did you
difficult
do
situation,
when I
but let us
spoke
see
against
what
it?
the Supreme Court does tomorrow. Sincerely hope and pray better sense
See what
prevails,
the Supreme Court does.
Mr. Sunit Chopra. I sincerely hope better sense prevails because it is imperative to
I
save
say I
every
will
life
Supreme
at
Court.
this stage.
I
A
will not
quick break
break
at
the
this stage.
justice of my-
Mr. Chopra, Gopal Agrawal and Dr. Malik, as always, many thanks for joining me here on India First.